guys, so today I'm here with Asteria hair once more. All right, the usual box as I always get. So I open it, it has all their social media listed in the top of the box here. So I'm seeing the wig first thing, and then we got some goodies. So I got a pair of lashes, I got a headband branded Asteria hair, extra elastic band, wig cap, edge brush and comb. I got this head scarf, and I also got this little drawstring box. You can put the wig in for storage, you know, the social media platforms are listed in the back, how to contact them, all that good stuff. And that's everything in the box. Alright, so this is the wig we're working with today. Oh my gosh, guys, this is how it came. Isn't this gorgeous? This is their 13x4 transparent lace front balayage body wave wig. This is 22 inches long, by the way. Of course, you know, when stretched, because it's curled right now. So that's the reason why it definitely looks much shorter, because it's curled. You understand? So, guys, this is such a vibe, all right? And it did come pre-plucked. It's very nicely pre-plucked. It's not too deep with the graduation. It's just right. The color job looks beautiful. The hair feels very silky and soft. So I love that. Like, gorgeous, right? You guys know I love me a good balayage colored wig. And then it's 13x4 right across the lace. Like, it doesn't curve to create a 13x4 space. It's 13x4 right across the cap. So inside the cap also has 3 combs for added security, and there's a elastic band added inside as well. And then there is an two adjustable straps in the back of the wig. So, you know, standard cap construction. And as I said, lace is transparent. So that's what we're working with. The density of this wig is also 180%. And it is a medium cap size that we have today. So now that I showed you guys this beauty, let's go ahead and install it. I'm going to be using some adhesive spray for today's install. So let's jump into it. Okay, it looks so good. These curls look so good. Like, I'm in it. Love that. Alright, so the hairline looks really good. It looks very realistic. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started on, you know, the usual cutting away the excess lace around my ears. And then I'll just take my time and start applying my adhesive on either sides of the lace. Well, on the lace to just melt it down. That is looking so good. Like, once I'm done with this side, and I'm gonna get my elastic band and just make everything melt down even more. I'm not gonna do no edges for this. I'm just gonna do this a minimal sideburn. Does it? But it looks so good. You and me clean. So in the meantime, what I'm gonna do is take my hot comb with my wax stick to kind of just lay everything to the back, and then I'm kind of fluff the hair out. I don't need to go through this with my curling iron. No, it is perfectly fine. All I'm gonna do is make the parting hair more precise. Just go through it just at the top here to get it laying nice and flat. So I'm gonna just take my time, use my fingers, and go through the curls. And this will just give it more of, you know, like a nice fluff. You see? Those curls are super nice. Yes. Love that. So I am getting shedding. So definitely expect that. Super, super realistic. Asteria hair, yeah, they did it again. The only thing I would minimize is the shedding. That's the only thing I would minimize, the shedding. You know? Because look at that. Super realistic. If you're looking for a really nice balayage, transparent lace front wig, it's right here. It's right here. Very nice and full. You know, it holds a curl really nicely. This is how it came, by the way. I didn't have to touch it up or anything. Let me turn to the back, give you guys a back view. So you guys see the vibes. It is stunning. It is really beautiful. It's well constructed. Definitely would recommend if you're looking for, you know, as I said before, a nice balayage, transparent lace front wig. As usual, the link to this wig will be in my description box. So if you're interested in getting it for yourself, you could check out my description box. The specifications, they will be listed. And that's it. That is it for today's wig look. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.